Hi there, this is Lee from Wheel Creative. Today we're going to be looking at virtual reality in Unity, and in particular we're going to be exploring the VR interaction framework, which is by Bearded Ninja Software, and also a shout out to the Polygon assets in Unity, which is by Cinti Studios. So let's just dive in there and start having a look at this. So here we go. I can see that I'm in Unity already. So here's the Polygon Office pack that we're using. You can get this from the Unity Asset Store, and it's you save 50% on it at the moment as well, which is good. If you like the Polygon assets, there's a ton of other assets you could get. City Pack, the Prototype Pack, which is the one I'm also using in this demo. Hang on a second. So the Prototype Pack basically is a load of assets that you can use for designing your game without any particular theme, and you've also got debugging assets in here as well, so little symbols that you can throw in there for the developers to look at, to give notes and stuff, which is pretty cool. The VR Interaction Framework by Bearded Ninja Games is also available on the Asset Store, and you'll find that you'll get everything you need within this toolkit for building virtual reality experiences. You also, as well with the latest update, don't need to install the Oculus integration package, which means that you can just install this package in Unity and get going straight away, which is really handy. So let's jump straight in. So here we are. This is my Unity environment, and I've built, well, this is the demo scene that you get from Polygon with their Polygon Office. So it's very interesting. You've got a full office environment here with loads of low poly assets, lots of different rooms to explore, but at the moment they're all pretty static. So the plan is to add the VR interaction framework asset and make these objects dynamic and make things grabbable, make doors open, etc, etc. So this is the first part of the research, and the next few videos will be me basically tinkering with this and trying to work out how the VR interaction framework works, showing you how to make things grabbable and give them interaction. So when you install the VR interaction framework, it comes in as the BNG framework. I have no idea why. And in there you'll see that there's an XR demo scene. Just save this office scene. So this scene is really good fun because it gives you a lot of toys to play with. And what we'll do is we'll start by having a quick look at this so we get a feel for what the framework does. So let's go. So here we are in VR, in the VR interaction framework toolkit. So straight out the box you get teleportation. So this is a standard teleportation device where you can use the thumbstick to rotate and then stand wherever you want. So here I can move it over there and bring everything forward, which is great because I've only got a small office here. So straight away you've got things that you can grab, move around. This is a grabbable object that you can then throw. Lots of other objects to throw around. Sliders, handles, buttons. So here we go, we can launch these boxes, which then break. Can reset that and launch some more. Let's go over here. This is the archery demo. So here I can grab these things and start shooting arrows. Really, oh, that was quite a big one. That's the best I've done yet, I think. Not bad. Oh, hammer. So collision is all built in as well, these objects. So obviously, well, that's just a standard Unity physics component that you add to your objects. So let's go and have a look at that, see how the arrows have disappeared. So let's go back here and have a look at the guns, the fun stuff. So let's just check where I am. Seems to be moving around quite a bit. So, guns. I have to get a bit closer because of my desk. Okay. What the? Missed. How am I missing that? Let's go over here and make it a bit easier for myself. And then I'm out of ammo. So the toolkit is really, really good. You've got everything you need here, as well as the standard kind of throwing things. I have no idea why that's doing that though. That doesn't seem to have any. Oh, these seem to be. Oh, okay. So these haven't got gravity for some reason. Okay, this has got a tool tip on it, which you can add. So that's all that sort of stuff's built in. I don't even know what this one is. It's just a stick, stickity stick. Other objects which have inverse kinetics and stuff built in. Again, it's just a standard Unity thing. Pens, snap points on things, so you can add snap points to make things stick to each other. So you can build tutorials, training exercises, and things. Which is pretty cool. Pens that you can for writing on stuff. Scribbling away. Right, so this stuff is pretty cool. I can grab it. So these are jetpacks. If I hold the trigger now, we can start flying around. Go through these hoops. Oh, missed that one. I'm gonna miss this one in a second. Oh, I missed that as well. So we can go and see what's on. Oh, there's that cube that was floating around. Let's see if we can. Oh, got it. I'm going to go through here. Try and get on this platform. So I've got these things down here so that I can place items in there if I want to. Come back. No, I've lost. Oh no, I got it. Did I? Lost it again. Got it. Right. Let's put that in there. So now these jetpacks are in here for me. I don't know what this does. Is it a button? God knows. Seems to have jumped up here for some reason. Oh, I think that was a teleportation kind of device. So by teleporting onto that block, I moved here for some reason. Let's go back down. So, climbing. You can grab things and climb. You can make things climbable, which means as you grab them, you basically move towards the item you're grabbing. And I can move around by grabbing items like this. And I can also use this sort of grappling hook thing well, the wire, zip wire, to move around as well. There's that teleportation device thing. Okay, let's go back down. Let's go over here. So you've got lots of cool little toys to play with. There's a big version of the doll there that you can pick up. Oh, broke the box. With that there. Doors that you can open. Like so. So all this stuff I'm going to take out and work out how it works and put it into the office scene. And we'll start doing a bit of a deeper dive into the code. So it's called VR Interaction Framework for Unity, and the assets were by Polygon. Okay, so let's dive into the office now and have a look at that in VR. So I'm just opening up the Polygon prototype scene. Not the prototype one, the office scene, which is here. I've already copied the XR-Rig advanced prefab from the VRIK demo scene and literally pasted it into this environment here. That's all I've done, nothing else. So there's no code to import, I haven't done anything. So now let's run this. And it starts off under the ground somewhere. It takes a little time to sort itself out there. Let's have a look at it inside here. So now what we have is the teleportation working. It's basically working anywhere. Certain objects that obviously don't have physics, don't have a collision object on them, or they're not a rigid body, and that's why you see the red line. But most things, well, this isn't, but most things can be teleported to. So if I was building this properly, I would create a fake floor, which would just be the areas where you could actually teleport. So you don't, stand, you don't allow people to stand on anything. Like you probably wouldn't want them standing on the pool table, or up here even, you could probably jump on the walls. So this office is interesting. Now I'm quite short, but I'm feeling even shorter in this environment, so I think I might need to have a little play with the settings here to make the height. So you can't grab anything at the moment because I haven't made anything grabbable. So we're just looking around, having to think about what we can do. So this is interesting, there's some balloons there on a chair. We could probably do something where if we move that balloon and attach it to that chair, the chair then floats off, that kind of thing. So there's a little challenge. Where am I? Okay. We've got some fish. I guess we just leave those guys alone. So doors, here's the manager's office. So at the moment we can't go in there and this isn't accessible in any way. I guess we could do something with the printer to make, oh, it's out of order. Maybe we could do something where you can break it or bash it with something to get it working again. The video game, It'd be interesting to actually get that working, wouldn't it, and play a game on it. It's quite possible, I suppose, if you had a hidden 2D scene in the Unity scene and you actually map the camera from that scene to a texture here, you could probably get the controls working and play a game within a game, sort of thing. Vending machine, would be interesting to see if we can get that working. Where else can we go? Now we need to, what's this over here? We've got some kind of warehouse environment. Some hidden things in there. Maybe we put like human heads in the boxes or something weird. Some hidden little Easter eggs would be quite cool. Doors that we can't, see I can't go out there. Okay, where else can we go? Let's have a look. Christmas tree over there for some reason. It'd be good to get this working for Christmas maybe. So I can somehow get over here. There we go. And go outside. So there's a little sculpture park. I can go on here and on here. I should be able to go on the wall, so I can have a look at what we have. So we've been in there. What was in here? So here's an office. We can have a look in here. There's a Super PC. And what are these supposed to be here? Some kind of weird secret capsules, or are they just supposed to be soda cans? Who knows? There's a little notice board that we can put some things on, a bit of branding can go on there perhaps. Printer. And if I was really nerdy, I might be able to make the computer actually work and like play Minecraft or something. That's for the Minecraft hackers to sort out there. So there's also a home office, which you can see is separate. So let's go in here. So this is the home office with the podcasting microphone there. Little statuettes. Looks much nicer than my office, I have to say. Let's go back up here. Let's see if I can get back over there. Yes, okay. So there's loads of stuff going on here. It's going to take quite a while to get it all working, I think. So there's also a rec room which has some beer pong accessories all set up, which would be pretty cool. Let's go over there. Kitchen with more food and cake and donuts and stuff. The warehouse, which we've seen. Another kind of rec room with camera set up there, a green screen thing. What's down here? Sales, where the action is. Okay, so this is quite big. Open space. Oh yeah, toilets and things. That would be interesting to maybe get some fluid dynamics working. So if you put your hand underneath, you get some water flow coming out. Of course, you want to be able to open the door as well, which we can't do at the moment. Toilet, can you actually go in the toilet? I wonder. Let's see. Don't think there's any way. If I can do it from up here. Oh, here we go. In the toilet, brilliant. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling very short right now. I feel like a toddler needs to go to the toilet and has to jump up. So it'd be great if we can, again, using the fluid dynamics, if we can get that toilet to work. Am I now trapped in the toilet and can't get out? Let's see. Nope. So what's over here? Oh, this is a kind of where. Oh, this is the cleaning cupboard. We could put some secret stuff in here, I guess. What else have we got? Now there is a cellar, isn't there? Yes. Let's have a look down here. This could be like the scary movie part. We could make this really dark and dingy and put some monsters in here. So I guess as well the lift comes down here. So I'll have to look to see if I can actually get the lift working to come down. You can see this is going to be quite a big project actually. But it would be a good way to learn VR interaction framework and to show you guys how to use it. Okay, so this is the reception area, is it? Yeah, okay, so we've been here. What's in reception? What's behind here? Secrets and naughty secrets, perhaps. Something on that screen that shouldn't be there. Cool. Okay. So that's the plan. We're going to make this office interactable with VR interaction framework. Okay, so stay tuned and let's see what we can do.